Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you another What's in My Bag small purse edition. Now, I'm excited for this video for many reasons. Some reasons are minor, a little silly, but something that made my heart just so full. So, I have a little bit of a purple theme going on in this video. Got the purple shirt, the purple nails, the purple mug, and something else in this video. Might be purple too, but you'll see in a minute. If you're new here, hi, my name's Hannah, and on this channel I do all things budget-friendly, hair, beauty, fashion, and other lifestyle type of content. So if that stuff interests you, then be sure to subscribe because that's what we do here. Now, before I get into anything, I like to show you my mug of the day. And this one is a purple one, matching the purple monochrome type of situation. My blanket's even purple. Okay, but this mug, I love this mug. It's from my friend Steffi. My best friend Steffi. And it is from the movie Avatar. And it's just this really pretty, cool thing. It's got, you know, their language and picture of them. That's like the mom, isn't it? Yeah. Anyways, if that's a movie you haven't seen, you're missing out. So get on that. Okay, well, I'm not gonna make you wait all day. Let's bring in the new purse. So the purses that I have generally don't have a lot of color. I think I've had one small bag that has color to it and the rest are just plain, neutrals, but not today. I stepped out of my comfort zone a little bit. One, it being colorful, but two, it being purple. I don't own a lot of purple. It may not look like it because of all the purple in this video, but this is my only purple shirt, my only purple mug, and I don't wear purple nails that often, and it's just, I don't have a lot of purple, but now I do. So without further ado, let's meet this month's small bag. Ta-da! Here she is. She's a 9 West bag again. Okay, yes, 9 West. If you've been following me along and looking at my other videos, this is the third or fourth, I want to say fourth 9 West bag that I have. It is not a designer brand as reflected in the price, but it is a nice quality brand and I've been very happy with them. So this one, I do not remember how much it was, but I got it from TJ Maxx and I love it. How cute is this? So it's got the long strap because it is a crossbody bag, but it's also got this cute little handle here. How adorable. It's got the little 9s on it and then the 9 West logo. And I love the purple with the gold detailing. It's like what I'm rocking right now. It's not the same purple. None of these are the same shade of purple. Maybe my nails with the mug, but like none of these are really the same shade. It's fine. We still love it. So the whole reason why you're here is to see what's inside of her. So let's get to it. From the top, here's what she looks like. She's got these 2 zippers here, and then she opens up in the middle with this little clasp type of thing. Boom. That's basically what it is. I tend to gravitate towards bags that have zippers. That's just more security and it's just safer for purse falls over or anything like that. But this has options. So like it has a quick access point right here in the middle. Then it also has more secure spots with zippers and 2 separate spots. So this has like 3 separate compartments, which is pretty cool if you ask me. All right, so I'm going to be looking in the front pouch first. Okay, so first thing I'm going to pull out now. If I can find this purse on Amazon, I will link it down below, but if not, all of, or at least most of the stuff that I keep in my purse, I got off of Amazon, so I will have all of that linked down in the description so that you can grab some of this for yourself, because believe me, you're gonna want to. Okay, so this first thing is a pill organizer. I got this from Amazon and it came in a 2-pack, this and a pink one, and I love it. And you guys love it too, I can tell. So here's what it looks like. It's a pretty good size. And it's a very secure clasp here, so like it's not going to just open up in your purse. But then even if it did, it's got pretty secure little compartments in here as well. Here's what it looks like. It has got 6 little compartments up here and 2 bigger ones down here. And it's very secure in how it closes, that they gave you this little guitar pick type of thing to help you get into it so that you don't break a nail, because you would. It is not easy, if at all possible, to open them up without this. So it's really nice that they handed this to you. This looks really dusty, and that's because I put my restless leg medication in here and that stuff is dissolvable, so it's powdery. So I I need to brush this off a bit, but that's that, and I love it and can't go anywhere without it. The fact that you can keep 8 different medications in here if you wanted to is amazing. Amazing. Next in here I have a mask, self-explanatory. And then the last thing I have in this front pouch is the infamous nail kit. This is a must-have, and a lot of you guys like this as well. It is just this nice little compact nail kit that inside has all these different tools. I love this one because they all feel pretty high quality. I love the matte black. They have other colors. I think they also have red and maybe something else. I'm not so sure. But this has such amazing quality to it. It has a really nice heaviness to the kit in a way, not like it's gonna weigh your purse down, but that you can tell this is high quality stuff. I have used the clippers and the file and everything like that, and they work really well. So I highly, highly recommend this. All right, now I'm going to be going into the back pouch here. Boom. I keep my Splenda. I'm a diabetic, if you can't tell. And a lot of places don't always have Splenda. And that's what I use to sweeten my tea and stuff like that. So I keep my own Splenda with me. It has come in handy. Next I have my InPen along the lines of being a diabetic. This is what my insulin comes in. And so obviously I have to keep this with me. Next is a wallet, obviously. And this is a wallet that I got on Amazon. And I really like it because it is nice and small, but still really cute and trendy looking, and just a nice minimalistic style. You keep cards here, and in this slot a lot of people would have their ID, but I keep my diabetic alert card in there. I can also link some of these down in the comment in the description as well. You open it up. I don't have the rest of this full at the moment, but you open it up and you have all these slots for other cards, and then you've got a zipper here to store your moolah and stuff like that. Next thing I keep back here, I keep eye drops with me all the time because I have contacts, but even if you don't have contacts, eye drops are a necessity to have with you because anything could happen. These are nice. These have come in handy quite often. Next thing, I keep nail glue with me because I do usually wear fake nails, and so they pop off sometimes, and so nail glue is the fix. So I keep nail glue with me. Okay, next thing is this right here, which is a purse hook, and it is amazing. So this is something that if you are out in public, in a public bathroom, at a restaurant, anything like that, this is a really handy tool to hang your purse somewhere. So it comes with these little grippies on it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's little silicone grips to help hold on to a table. So if you're at a restaurant sitting at the table, this is a good place to hang your purse instead of like on the back of your chair, or instead of setting your purse on the table. It just saves space, and then it helps to make sure your bag doesn't get swiped from you by sitting behind you. I have used it on a table and it really helps. It doesn't get in the way at all. Another place I've used this is in a public bathroom when they either don't have a hook on the door, or they do have a hook but it's a nasty bathroom and you don't necessarily want your purse on the hook. This has also come in great handy when using a public restroom. So it's really small, takes up no space, so it's a must-have to keep in your bag. Next thing, and this is a newer item, I showed it for the first time in my last what's in my bag video with the big bag and the dumping and all of that. So this is fairly new, but it is this portable cordless charger. This came in a 2-pack, at least the one that I got was a 2-pack, a white and a black one, and it is from the brand iWalk, and it's just this little thing that you plug into your phone. This one specifically is for iPhones, but I'm sure you could find them for any phone. And this is just a little battery pack that, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, charges your phone for you. And I think a lot of us could use something like this, but I really needed it because I'm on social media a lot and doing stuff for my little side hustles, and my phone dies relatively quickly. So this I've been wanting to get for so long, and I'm so excited to finally have it. So this must have. All right, and that is all that I keep in the bag. So now let's go in the middle. So in the middle, they do have an open pouch on the side and then a zipper pouch on the other side. Just more little nooks and crannies for you to put all your crap. The first thing I'll pull out of here is this portable, travel size friendly comb. Again, self-explanatory. It is just a really nice thing to have with you. You never know when you're gonna need a comb, and there have been times that I have forgotten it and needed it. So it's good to comb your hair throughout the day. Wind is not a friend to hair, so Here you go. Next thing I'll pull out is along the lines of being a diabetic, and it is these glucose tabs. It's something that helps you when your blood sugar is going low. So just as a diabetic, these are a necessity. Next thing here is a scrunchie, and this is just if you have hair that can be put up, good to have some way to put it up because you never know. You just never know. So I keep a scrunchie. Next thing along the lines of hair related products is this Flyaway Tamer Gel. If this is not your first what's in my bag of mine that you have watched, then you have most definitely seen this, but it is this hair gel type of situation that comes in this little tube, and the applicator looks like mascara, and is something to help you tame those pesky flyaways, whether your hair is up, down, sideways, whatever. This is super duper handy, especially when you're someone like me and you have a bunch of baby hairs. Lifesaver. So next product is a little weapon. Okay, this isn't an actual weapon, it's more of a preventative thing, and it is this little personal alarm from the brand Birdie. I got mine in matte black because I am obsessed with matte black, but they have a few other colors, and this is just one of the things that if you feel like you're in danger, you pull it and it lets out a alarm that's really loud. And why is that good? It's gonna scare the person away because it's drawing attention to you. So this is just a really nice thing to have. It's sleek, it's pretty. You can clip it on your keys, clip it on the outside of your purse, or like me, just stick it in your purse. But have it out if you're walking around somewhere that you're like, this is a little sus, a little sketch. So I'm gonna have my personal alarm with me. So yeah, must have for sure. Next thing I keep in my purse is this floss. This is from the brand Burst, and it's just a charcoal floss, and this is a refillable container, and I love it. I think you need to have floss with you at all times, especially if you know you're going somewhere to eat, because if you get something in your teeth and you can't get it out, it's miserable and it will drive you nuts all day long if you're anything like me. So floss has been a real necessity. Next thing I keep with me is this chapstick lip balm kind of thing from the brand Dr. Lip, and it is just this really nice thick creamy lip balm. Makes your lips look nice and shiny. It's also just because of how thick and creamy it is, it's super effective if you do have chapped lips or you're trying to prevent chapped lips. This is some really good stuff. So next thing is just a pen. Pens are nice to have with you because you never know when you're gonna need one. So next is this little travel size perfume. What I wear is Coach Dreams Sunset. It smells really, really nice, but it's nice to have just a small perfume on you, refresh throughout the day, something like that. So, and it's small, travel size. Oh, and I forgot to put it in my bag, but something else that I really like to keep on me is lotion. If you know me at all, if you've watched any of my videos, you know lotion is a must-have for me. So usually there's lotion in here. I just forgot it. All right, and then the last thing, this is another new thing that I introduced in my last big what's in my bag video, and it is this purse light. So women, you know women's bags are like black holes, right? And no, it's not as much of a problem in a small bag, but it still can be a problem. The more stuff you have in your bag, the harder it is to find stuff. And so this, when you stick it in here, you can just click the button and it lights up your purse and allows you to find things so much easier. This has come in handy already. It is just so nice. So you can clip it onto your bag if you want, or just stick it in there. But something else that this is really cool for, you don't have to just use it for your purse. Like you can have this in the car with you. So if it's dark and you're looking for something in the car and you don't want to have your overhead light on, or sometimes the overhead light doesn't help because you're looking for something that's like down and stuff, This you can just stick down where you're looking for something, whether it's between the seats, under the seats, and the floorboard, anything like that, and it'll help you find stuff. You can also have this and clip it on you at night if you like to go walk when it's kind of dark outside. This helps you be seen. So like this has so many uses, it really does. So you need to go pick you up one, even if it's not for your purse. Go pick you up one. It's amazing. Okay, well there you have it. That is everything that I keep in my small purse. Let me know what you think down in the comments if you enjoyed this video. What kind of stuff do you keep in your small bag? Because there's always room for more. I mean, there's not, but there is. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed this video, found it useful, helpful, entertaining, anything like that, then be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps show me the kind of stuff that you like to see. And yeah, thanks again so much for watching and have a wonderful day.